So I decided to do a part 2 just to show you that it's now coming up to half an hour. Now when I say half an hour, I started the stopwatch when the birds came back. They were gone for just over 10 minutes and then I started the stopwatch, so they are just over 40 minutes flying in total. So they've been doing very well. I usually call them up, as I always say, around 25 minutes, 30 minutes, but I just wanted to see would they go that extra bit. So that's, as I said, just over 40 minutes. A couple of nice tumbles there from 3 or 4 of them. As I say, they're not all tumbling just yet. I've noticed some of them starting to make an effort, which is always good. I'll be able to show you them now coming in, so because it's time to wrap it up. So this is what I do. It's very, very simple. Open the door and I'll just show you now what happens. These birds are very, very well trained. Just to show you now. I always wait till they're in line with the loft. As you can see, they'll probably spot the door open now. And then a load of work is done. Because they must do the work for me. If they want to get all they can eat. This video now is about just over 3 minutes long, 3.5 minutes, so about 45 minutes going to be. It's very good, right? Okay, now I'll just give them a turn here now and then I'll call them. That's now. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! There you go. Watch now. That's it. So there you go, folks. As I said, I just wanted to make a part 2 for that, just to show you, because the heavens absolutely opened that time. So I said here. So yeah, very, very happy with the birds that first round. And as you can see, they're very, very well trained. Call them in out of the air, drop down, that's it, job done. So there you go, folks. I leave it at that. Keep it old school.